Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking quick braised stuffed tofu. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive Local Chinese Delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we'll prepare the stuffing for the tofu or tau hua. I have with me over here 150 grams of minced pork. If you do not take pork, please substitute this out with chicken. Add in 50 grams of fish paste. You can get this from any Yong Tofu store or from your supermarket. Add in also 15 grams of cuttlefish floss, which I've rinsed and cut it into small pieces like this. You can get this from your supermarket or any dry grocery store. This is how the cuttlefish floss looks like. This is what gives this dish a very beautiful umami taste. If you cannot get cuttlefish floss, you can always replace this with saltfish powder, no problem. Add in also half a tablespoon of corn flour, as well as a pinch of salt. Not too much salt because the sauce that we're making will be quite savoury. Just put them all in. And now we just need to mix this up well. Make sure you mix them up well. You can use your hand if it's easier for you. We'll need to mix this until it's sticky, after which we'll slam this. I'll show you how sticky this will be in a while. When you feel a lot of resistance, that means the pork is almost ready, like this. Very, very sticky. Alright, now we slam it a few times just to get the air out. Slamming this stuffing actually makes the stuffing very bouncy in taste. But of course, if you don't want to do this step, it's fine also. What we are trying to do over here is to release the air that's inside this beautiful stuffing that we have. Just a few times will be good. After you slam them, we'll divide them into 8 portions. And I'll show you how I prepare the tofu. Now we'll prepare the stuffed tofu. I'll be using 2 slabs of firm tofu, weighing a total of 250 grams. I'll need to cut them out like this, and I'll show you how I do this. We'll need to quarter up the firm tofu, so half, cut it down, and to the other side, the same thing, half, like this. This is how it looks like, and we are going to carve it out. To carve the firm tofu, we'll need a butter knife, alright? So first we will need to measure how deep we want this to be. So using your finger as a gauge, measure it against the tofu, like this, okay? Or like this. This is the depth we want to go to. Not too deep down because we don't want to break the tofu, okay? Now we need a finger spacing from the edge or the sides. So just approximately here, push the knife fully in, using your finger as a gauge over here, and just move it up. Okay, we'll stop somewhere around here, and we continue with all the sides. Be very gentle when you do this, try not to break the tofu. Once you have cut the sides into a square, we'll dig this out to create a cavity. To do that, using the same butter knife, just slowly slide like this first, until the edges touch each other. When you are doing this, make sure that you hold the tofu firmly in your fingers, gently but firmly. Okay? So just slowly slide this through like this. You just remove the first layer first, and then this will be so much easier to do. Right? And after that, we'll just slowly dig this out. You don't have to throw away the excess tofu. If you want, you can add it into your stuffings. Or for me, actually, I would like to mash it up with eggs and steam it or make it into a tofu omelette. If you are adding to your stuffing, then you might need to add a little bit more salt. Be careful when you are doing this step. Try not to cut the sides off or even break the bottom. So now I'm done and I'll continue to do the rest. Now let's put the stuffing into the tofu. You will need to prepare a little bit of corn flour. You need to put a little bit of corn flour into the cavity so that the stuffing will not drop out easily. Once this is done, we'll put the stuffing in. Holding the tofu in one hand, a butter knife or you can use a spoon for this. Take a portion of the stuffing and then we just place it in like this and slowly and gently push the stuffing in. Remember to hold the tofu firmly. You don't want to break the tofu. If you cannot get your hand on firm tofu, you can also use this stuffing for vegetables like bitter gourd, eggplants, lady's fingers, or even chili peppers. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And we'll proceed to do the rest. Now we're going to shallow fry our firm tofu. I'm using medium heat. Add oil in, heat it up. How do we know whether the oil is ready or not? Using a bamboo skewer or a bamboo chopstick, put it in, right? You will start to see bubbles rising up like this. That means the oil is hot enough, right? Okay. Now we'll gently place the firm tofu inside the oil, mid side down. Gently do this. Don't burn yourself. We'll brown the pork first, and then we'll try to brown the tofu after this. This will take a couple of minutes, most probably about 2 or 3 minutes. Try not to move the tofu when you place them in. Let it just cook on its own first. If your pot is too small, you can actually fry this in 2 separate batches. Make sure that your meat is in full contact with the oil. Now we'll turn the tofu over just to check whether our meat are good or not. This is what we want. Now just turn the tofu around to make sure that we are actually browning all the sides. Make sure that we are browning the pork beautifully like what you are seeing here. Gently do this. It's already smelling beautifully now in my kitchen. Be careful when you do this, try not to break the tofu. Now we'll brown all the sides of the tofu and we'll remove them when they are browned beautifully. We'll need to shift them around a little bit. Don't worry if the pork is not cooked because we're going to further cook this with the sauce. Now just gently move them around, make sure that there's a lot of contact of the tofu with the oil. Once all the sides are brown like this, we'll remove them from the oil. Gently remove the tofu from the oil using a colander. Right. Let's push it down a little bit. Do not turn off the heat, otherwise it will be super oily. Only turn off the heat when all the tofu are out of the pan or wok. After you are done with this, I'll show you the next step. Now we're going to put the dish together. Remove most of the oil, leaving behind about 1 tablespoon of it. Add in 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, young ginger I'm using over here. I'm using medium heat over here, you can do the same. Add in 2 pieces of shallots, chopped up. You fry them until they are a little bit fragrant. Once you can start to smell them, we'll add in 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Same thing, fry them until fragrant. Move them around, try not to burn them. We're going to do a very basic black bean paste sauce, which is very delicious with this tofu that we are making. Once you can start to smell the beautiful fragrance, we add in water. 250 milliliters of water, put them all in. Add in 1 teaspoon of black bean paste. Half a teaspoon of oyster sauce. Not too much because we are not using a lot of water and we don't want this to be super salty. Of course, we can adjust the saltiness later. Mix them up. To balance up the taste, we're adding in half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well. Now before we add in our tofu, let's taste this a little bit. Very, very nice, but we can use a little bit of salt. Just a pinch will do. We don't want this to be too salty. A few dashes of pepper. Mix them up well. And now we're adding our tofu. Put them in like this. We'll put the lid on, turn the heat to the lowest, and we'll simmer this for 15 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 15 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, look at how beautiful this is. Now we'll need to thicken this up with some cornstarch solution. Turn on the heat to medium. Add in your cornstarch solution. Drench it in by the sides. And then just swirl it around like this. And now we add in just a teaspoon of sesame oil, just for that beautiful fragrance. And now all we have to do is turn off the flame, add in a little bit of chopped spring onion, and it's time for lunch. now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Wow, smells so good. Try the tofu. Oh. The stuffing with the tofu, with the savory sauce, this is really nice. Let me try it with rice, the sauce. Oh. Absolutely a rice killer. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Oh, nice.